Hello guys. Today the moon is rising.
So big.
Misael! Misael, the moon is here. I'm already recording. The moon is here, guys. I need to go up. Misael! Yo! I want to go higher. Miss, the moon is here. Misael! The moon is here! The moon! Misael! The moon is here! Come here! There's moon here, bro.
XAY. Okay? Understand.
The moon. It doesn't look. Michelle, you're fun. You're here.
Oh, the moon is orange.
Hi. Hel-
It became the sun. Wow.
Come on, get up. Okay, Michelle.
The new sun. Huh?
Finally, guys, Michelle's here. But wow, you prepared snacks for the moon of the celestial event.
Oh, Michelle.
Yeah.
You wanna see my topic in math?
Yes. We
Look.
don't care about the topic.
What?
We just keep.
Oh,
never
flip is
mind.
that? I don't understand.
And then this was the worst one. Look. Look at it. I hate this.
What? Anyways, I don't care.
Academy is a pain.
I don't care about your exam. I just care about the blood moon.
I
Whoa!
can feel you,
Look!
Susan.
Look, see? It looks like.
It looks like something's covering it.
Yeah, you know why? Yesterday was literally.
Wait, what's covering it then?
Clouds.
No, like why is there look like there's a
Ma, up there, the moon is here.
Wait a minute, that's not clouds.
That's what I've been telling you.
Wait, that's not clouds.
It's because yesterday was the full moon.
yeah, 2 full moons yesterday.
No,
Not the clouds.
No, I saw yesterday a full moon.
oh, me also. Wait, it's not a cloud.
And on March 1 also.
March 1?
Yeah, I saw a full moon.
Wow, both of us bought some
Done with
snackies.
math. And hopefully I don't fail.
Um, actually, it will be visible when it's like 7:30, guys. Okay. So I'll just like skip to that part. Yeah, I'm going down. Okay, guys. Let's get up.
Wait, I'll look closely.
What do you mean?
Wait, it's not clouds. I see no clouds around there.
Why is it so? If it's full moon, it would be absolutely big.
You can see there's like a hole under it.
Yeah, it's because there's little. Can you please be quiet? Yo, guys, this is an absolute celestial event. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Yeah,
One time we saw the blood moon, right?
blood moon. Yeah, we only saw once. If there's twice,
Yeah,
it will become blood moon when it's like.
twice in our whole entire life.
What do you mean?
No, in our kid life.
Iman, can you please
Second
stop?
blood moon. That's crazy.
It's orange because like there's literally because like it will be completely red. I think at 7:30, 7 o'clock, guys. It will be completely red. Yo,
7 o'clock it will be red, and then at 7:30 it'll be more red.
okay, guys. Okay, yo. I'm zooming in. Iman, stop. Look, this what it looks like. Missa, look. This what it looks like. Missa Ella. Look, this what it looks like when zoomed in. Looks like another Earth.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna skip the time. Okay, guys? It's disappearing?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Hello, guys. You done with it?
Why?
Oh.
Wait, you should make your own channel for your POV. It's very red in my camera. Look at my
Yeah.
camera. It's very red.
Yeah, me too. See?
Look, when I zoom in, it's
Very
very red.
weird.
It's very red in my camera, but
Yeah.
when you look at it, it kind of doesn't look red. Only a bit red. Oh my gulay.
Oh my gulay!
Oh gulay. Wow. Wow. Nice. So, can you see? Oh, a camera recording a moon.
Yeah.
And what if you put your camera in front? A camera recording a camera.
Yeah.
Yep. Is there anything else in the sky? Or just the moon? I thought that.
Oh, there's a cool thing.
Wait, it's reappearing. Look, see?
Over there is dark, and over here is look. Still a little bit sunny. And
You know that in the USA, when I was watching the live stream, I saw the moon. It was gray, the blood moon, but it's kind of in the USA.
yeah, it's kind of red.
No, in the USA it's gray, but it's going to become red soon. Yo. Wait. Boom, Misael! Look, I thought this was the moon. Look, I thought this was the moon.
My friend thought this was the moon for a second.
Let's get closer. Yeah, let's get closer. You should make your own channel of your POV. Like Michelle's POV. Should you make your channel of your POV? Because
I don't know how to make a channel.
I know. Okay, I'll help you later if I can go. A channel. Do you have an account?
Wait, why is it kind of here?
Do you have an account? Wait, look, see? Why? It's kind of white.
It's wait, no, it's kind of bigger here.
It's kind of smaller in my iPad. Oh no, it's kind of bigger and more redder. It's crazy. Is there news about it? Okay, I'm gonna check the news, guys. Blood moon. Okay, guys. I'm gonna look.
Wag.
Misael. Misael, question. Come on. What?
I still saw sunlight there.
Why?
And also, the moon was there. Half sun moonlight half moon.
Oh my
Where?
goodness, it's turning red.
Turn- Horror movie? If it's a horror movie, oh no. Guys, at 7:30, it will be better, okay guys? Okay, see you at 7:30. Guys, this is more red now. It's more redder. Hey, yo. And this bye because like and me guys because bye because I'm going home now. And also thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later.